These buffalo bites are a great snack and a great way to impress your friends at parties. So what you'll need is one cauliflower, and I've just cut it up into perfect bite-sized pieces. Then you'll need 120 grams of flour and about 250 milliliters of plant-based milk. Here I'm using a soya cream because it gives a thickness, but you can use a plant-based milk as well. I'm also adding half a cup of water. Then you'll need a teaspoon of onion granules, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and I'm using 2.5 teaspoons of paprika, but you can use less if you don't like too much of a kick. I'm also adding a bit of salt and some pepper. And then all you do is mix it together, and it should become a bit of a red pinkish colour and a smooth, thick consistency. Now this is the fun part. You've got your cauliflower, the sauce you've just made, and some panko breadcrumbs. And all you do is you take your cauliflower, dip it in the sauce or batter you've made, and then you also dip it into the breadcrumbs to give it that crunchiness. It gets a bit messy, but it's so much fun. You can get your kids to help along, and it's a great way to get them involved in cooking. Once all the cauliflower is battered, you put it on a baking tray with some tin foil, and then you put it in the oven, which is preheated at 230 degrees. Once it's been in the oven for about 20 minutes, take them out, and they should be a nice golden brown, as you can see here. And then all you do is you put some barbecue sauce onto the buffalo wings. Now I'm cheating here because I'm using ready-made barbecue sauce, but you can make your own. Then you put them back in the oven for another 20 minutes, and they should come out looking like this, a nice golden brown with some awesome crunchiness. You simply serve it with some ketchup and you're good to go. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click a like and subscribe.